How long since I've been here? I was thinking it was like a year, and it's been 3 years.
I know, it's been too long since you were here.
Yeah, what you've been doing without me. Now I'm married, happily married.
Happily married. Does he speak Spanish?
No, he doesn't.
He does
Thank
not.
God.
Why do you say thank God?
You know, sometimes it's good to have secrets.
Is Joe superstitious?
Superstitious?
Yeah. Does he have
No.
rituals or anything like that?
Oh, yeah, he always have to, like, even, and it's kind of, like, funny and sweet and sad. Sometimes he's all dressed up, like, socks, underwear, shirt, like, everything, hat and rings, and, I mean, everything, and he's alone in the
Are you a superstitious person?
I'm Latin. What kind of question is that? It's like we're all day, I'm not day, like...
Black by Black charcoal wipes, cleanse and exfoliate. So the only thing is I wish that it was a little bit more damp. This is the smooth side. This is the side that has a grip. You guys see all these dots on here? Yes. So when you put it on the skin, you actually feel those dots exfoliating. Those are not like super smooth, but they're not like super rough at the same time. It's just enough pressure to pull off any heavy duty makeup that you have. And then when you go to this side, this is the side that's really, really smooth. And look, super, super strong towelette. Wipe away everything. Charcoal is known to detoxify, get the toxins out of your skin. So they work very well. As you can see, that was my neck, which I did not do. But they are meant for heavy duty makeup if you really, really want to scrub that stuff off your skin or just get your skin super, super clean. You know what? This is my second one. And the closer to the bottom, the more moist they are. So if you previously opened it and you feel like they're getting too dry, just flip it over and let all the moisture come to the top of it.